Hi, everybody. I have in front of me some Lego minifigs because that's where I wanted to begin today's live stream. Thank you for joining me. I have here 5 gifts from fans of minifigs of me. I've got this, well, we'll start over here. This is me cosplaying as a stormtrooper. This is a head that Ben Eady printed on his 3D printer from a scan of my head that I sent him. It is really creepy to see yourself as a minifig with a realistic face. Here is a fan-made minifig of me in my cowboy hat. Here is a fan-sculpted minifig of me cosplaying as Wiley Post. This is an astounding little build. This is something a fan gave me at a con that I went to in my Captain America suit. This is Cap in his stealth suit. It's not really me, but it was given to me while I was wearing my Cap stealth suit, so it's kind of me. And then here is me in a custom printed Savage Industries t-shirt. This was also given to me at a con. Amazing. And the reason I have brought these out, these all sit on a Lego shelf that I've got, is because Lego has released a set of minifigs of the Muppets. The Muppets love you. The Muppets are love. I mean, I grew up on the Muppets from the late 60s on. They actually predate my birth by 10 or 15 years. When the Muppet Show came out in 1980, it was not just famously the most expensive show ever made for television. It was, but it also, I mean, just was so important for 13-year-old me to be inundated with that sense of humor and sense of love and caretaking and forgiveness and acceptance that is just built deeply into the whole Muppets ethos. And Lego has collaborated with Muppets on a set of minifigs. Now, these are, what do you call this, gambling? It's gambling, right? It's effectively gambling. You buy 8 of these at a time, but you don't know what's in them. I will tell you that the very first 2 that I opened up were both Statler. Part of me hopes, like, that all the other 6 of these are Statler. That would be like a statistical, it would be so magnificent statistically. Fascinatingly enough, Statler comes with a laptop that not only, okay, it's actually a book, but it's got a keyboard, so they've repurposed the book to be a laptop, and Scooter is there. And Scooter is engaging in clearly what is instant messaging. And I don't know about you, but when I think of Statler, I don't think of laptops or instant messaging. Those 2 concepts are very far, but I appreciate the weirdness. Okay, so we've got 2 Statlers. I'm dying to find out what's in the rest of these. So let's get into them. Okay, here we go. Oh. Statler! Okay. Oh, dudes, this is fantastic. Let's get Statler together. Oh, let's put his laptop together. All right, ladies and germs. Statler. Anyone needs a Statler, you give me a call. All right. Number 4. Oh, it's not Statler, it's Kermit. Okay. Sorry, that opened a little more vigorously than I intended. Kermit, adorable. Kermit is just lovely. Oh, he comes with a banjo! Crazy.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows?
Kermit, man. We should all strive to be Kermit, right? Okay. Let's see here. Oh, it's another Kermit. This is totally gambling. All right, here we go. I love the rainbow.
Someday I'll find it. The rainbow connection.
Oh my God. I went and saw that movie twice in the theaters in 1980 when it came out. I remember being fascinated by Kermit riding a bicycle and Kermit playing the guitar on the lake. What I did not know was that Jim Henson was literally like breathing through a tube underneath that log in the water. I may be slightly exaggerating. I am prone to slight exaggerations. Okay, let's see what we got here. Number 6. Oh, Fozzie! We got Fozzie. Wow, we have Fozzie with a banana for scale. Look at that. Oh, I dig it. Okay, Fozzie. I always liked Fozzie because he had a hat. Oh, yeah. Oop. Did I lose something? I don't think so. So what is this that Fozzie has with him? Let's find out. Rolf. Oh my God, there's a Rolf. Rolf. Okay. Oh, so Fozzie. Of course it's a microphone. That's brilliant. So that goes like that. And that goes like this. And that goes like this. And Fozzie's like,
Is anything on? Is anyone hearing this?
and he's got a banana for scale. My gosh, that's brilliant. Okay, next one. Number 7. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? It's Kermit again. 3 Stadlers, 3 Kermits. All right. Okay, and another rainbow. No rain, no rainbow. Oh, sorry, Kerm. And last but not least, number 8. Here we go. What's it going to be? Another Fozzie? Another, come on, who is it? Does anyone want to take some odds on this? It's Kermit! We got 4 Kermits, 3 Stattlers, and a Fozzie. All right, yeah. I suddenly remember, was it Yu-Gi-Oh cards that it was, was that the first one? Yeah, that everyone was like, the thing that I found most surprising about the Yu-Gi-Oh card craze was that like kids were exhibiting the physical manifestations while they were in the store. They were doing like obsessive things that like gambling addicts do. I'm not saying that Lego is supporting gambling addicts. I totally understand this procedure, but I do find it funny that, you know, this kind of thing leads to store employees palpating the bags until they figure out which one has the minifig they want. Yeah, it builds this whole sort of black market economy. Dude, this feels like the weirdest Muppet show imaginable. Yeah, I'm so happy that Lego has brought the Muppets, is playing with the Muppets. It is exactly what should be happening. Lego is the greatest building toy ever invented. The Muppets are one of the most loving families of content ever made. 2 great tastes in one candy bar. Yeah, all right, let's move these guys off to the side. And we've got a whole banjo chorus and 3 guys to make fun of them. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to support us even further, you can by becoming a tested member. Details are, of course, below, but it includes all sorts of perks, and we're building them all the time. You get advanced word and behind-the-scenes photos of some of our projects. Questions, you get to ask direct questions during my live streams, and we have some members-only videos, including the Adam real-time series of unbroken, unedited shots of me working here in the shop. They are weirdly meditative. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next one.